So guys, I'm excited. So let's talk about note investing. What is a note and what is note investing?
So yeah, I mean, it's complex, but it's pretty simple.
It's complex, but not complex.
It's complex. People make it complex.
Yeah, exactly.
So
that's basically what it is.
when you buy a home, you sign two pieces of documents: promissory note and a mortgage. Pretty much, you're telling the bank, "I promise to pay. If not, you can take back the property." Right? As soon as you buy a home, within a few months, you can notice that you're gonna get a letter from the bank saying that you have another lender now. So what happened is that the lender actually bought that in the secondary, sold that in the secondary market, right? They could sell it to other banks, smaller banks, private individuals, and that's where, for me and Sean, that's where we come in too. We buy those loans from those banks, hedge funds, and other individuals that create those notes.
Yeah. So in a nutshell, the note is actually what everyone is familiar with. When you buy a property, you owe someone money. So that's what the note is.
Is a certificate of the debt in a way, if I had kind of reworded it in a way.
Correct. It's an asset backed by real estate. Correct.
And for us here in Canada, looking over the border in the US and the subprime mortgage issues that happened and the financial meltdown in 2008, it was those notes that were given different kind of ratings, and then they were sold to different groups and different institutions, and which caused the issue. So there is a little bit of background here for understanding of what's happening there.
Yeah, and this wasn't available decades ago. It was only available a little bit over a decade ago.
Yeah.
So because the foreclosure rates were over 20%, the banks didn't have the manpower to foreclose on all these properties. And that's when everything was opened up to individuals like you and I. Before, you had to have, hundreds of millions of dollars in order to purchase a big, pool of notes, right? A big pool of loans. Now you could actually buy a loan as little as $10,000. Obviously, they go up to the millions, but a lot of individuals could get into the note space now.